Christmas came in early this year as Bajaj launched its Dominar 400 yesterday on the 16th of December 2016 in Mumbai at a mouth-watering price of 1.8 lakhs on road for the ABS variant. Hey there, what's happening guys? This is Vinay here once again and I'm super excited to present you all a walk around video of this newly launched Dominar. Now in my books this won't be wrong to call it a super value for money bike because what it offers is a first in class full LED headlight, full LED tail light, LED indicators, a split instrument panel, backlit switches, twin channel ABS, 375cc liquid cooled engine with 17-inch front and 16-inch rear tires coupled with a 150mm rear section tire, fuel injection and a comfortable riding posture to say the least. Now this resembles quite a lot to the 200NS, its earlier sibling. Now I'll soon be doing a detailed and a first ride review of this bike, but that's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.